How's it going, everyone? Mike here from TechTheLead, and today we are checking out the Arctis Pro wireless headset from Steelseries. So my initial impressions are that it's really well made. The band that goes across the top is actually made out of steel. It's really soft on your ears, it's not uncomfortable in any way, and it's really well made. And the next thing, obviously even more important, is the sound. How's the sound? Well, it's incredible. It uses DTS technology, and the bass delivers, the treble is there. These are really amazing sounding headphones. So in addition to amazing sound, these headphones obviously are wireless. Now, you can either use 2.4G or you can use Bluetooth. Either one work really well. The range is about 40 feet, so you can connect it to your computer or you can connect it to your PlayStation, and either work. It's actually a really great gaming headset because the microphone actually comes out of the side here and you can connect it for playing games. The headphones are also rechargeable. You don't have to worry about battery life. So if you're sitting in front of the TV and you're gaming for a while, you don't have to worry at all because the receiver actually has a rechargeable port for the headphone battery, and you can pop out the headphone battery, slide it in there, and swap it with the one inside. So you're definitely good for hours of gaming. So the transmitter that's included actually allows you to dial in and adjust a bunch of different features based on what you're doing. So if you're playing games, you can adjust it one way. If you're listening to music, there's a bunch of different adjustments, and I found that it actually worked really well. So it was funny, actually, after using these for a while on my computer, when I took them off and heard the speakers from my computer, I was blown away by how much of a difference there was. Same thing with gaming. I had them on for a little while and it sounded incredible, and then taking them off, you're like, wow, that's a massive difference. So I was actually blown away. I have headphones on all the time because I'm editing a lot of films online and watching a lot of movies, and I wear headphones a lot, and I can say that these actually really impressed me. Really good quality, and more importantly than that, the headphones themselves are super comfortable. That's something I don't find in a lot of headphones. I've tried some middle of the road to cheaper headphones, and I find sometimes the sound is all right, but after wearing them for 30 minutes, you kind of have a little bit of a headache and your ears are sore and kind of sweaty. These are super breathable and very comfortable for long hours of use. So all in all, these headphones were super comfortable and honestly one of my favorite products of 2018, and definitely a contender for extraordinary tech. How's it going, everyone? Mike here from TechTheLead, and today we are checking out the Arctis Pro wireless headset from Steelseries.